The Drive Medical Lightweight Expedition Folding Transport Wheelchair is engineered to provide dependable, comfortable mobility support for seniors, adults, and individuals with limited mobility who need an easy-to-maneuver, lightweight solution. Built with a durable yet ultralight aluminum frame, this transport chair delivers stability and comfort. With its smooth rolling 12-inch rear wheels, the Expedition Transport Wheelchair enables effortless pushing across indoor flooring, sidewalks, parking lots, and mildly uneven surfaces. The integrated curb assist feature helps caregivers lift the front wheels with greater control when approaching small steps or bumps. For added security, companion-activated loop lock handbrakes offer responsive stopping power. Comfort-focused features such as padded armrests and supportive fold-down footrests help ensure a pleasant ride, whether you're navigating a medical appointment, traveling through an airport, or enjoying time outdoors. The compact folding mechanism, activated by a convenient lever on the back, allows the wheelchair to collapse quickly for storage in a car trunk, closet, or overhead space. Weighing only 19 pounds, it is significantly easier to lift and transport compared to traditional wheelchairs. This transport wheelchair supports up to 300 pounds and includes a spacious seating area designed for lasting comfort during extended use. Since 2000, Drive Medical has proudly manufactured trusted medical equipment and home care products that are used in homes and hospitals across the globe. We offer a wide range of products to support your family's needs, from mobility to bath safety, from patient care to personal care. Our mission is simple: to enhance the lives of our customers with products that support safety, independence, and comfort. When you shop from Drive Medical, you'll find unmatched quality, cutting-edge innovation, and products designed in partnership with clinical experts. Click the link for shipping information.